Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your hands to multiply 6 by 8, any numbers from 6 through 10. So you take your hands like this and you count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I want 6 times 7, for instance, or if I want, actually, let's do 8 times 7. So this is 8 and this is 7. What we do is put the fingers together. We're going to add all the fingers that are up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5, and that's going to be your tens place. And then you're going to multiply your knuckles. So you have 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So you have 56. That's 8 times 7. Let's try 7 times 7. So this is 6, 7. 6, 7. We're going to go add the fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our tens digit. We'll multiply the knuckles. That's 3 knuckles times 3 knuckles. 3 times 3 is 9, and we have 49. It will also work with if you go over 10. So let's say we did 6 times 6. So here's 6, here's 6. 6 times 6, well, that's 1 plus 1 is 2. But then we have our knuckles. 4 times 4 is 16. 20 plus 16 is actually 36. So you're actually carrying in that sense. Same thing if you did, let's try 8 times 8. So this is 8 and 8. 8 times 8, we have 6. Oops, 2 times 2 is 4, 64. Maybe let's try 9 times 8. So here's 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 8, 6, 7, 8. So let's add the fingers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1 times 2 is 2. So that's 72. I wanted to do another one with carrying. So let's do 6 times 7. Here's 6 and here's 7. Doesn't matter if I go 7 times 6. No. So we can do 6 times 6, 7. So we're adding the fingers. That's 3 for 30. We're multiplying the knuckles. So I have 3 times 4 is 12. So now we take the 30 plus 12. That's where we get the 42 because 6 times 7 is 42.